Lesson 28. Articles. Follow the lesson carefully and repeat the sentences after the teacher. A. An and the. A is used before singular nouns beginning with a consonant. Let's look at the examples. A boy, a man, a tool. But an is used before singular nouns beginning with a vowel. Example: an iron, an apple, an umbrella. Concerning the, it is used to describe someone, something specific or unique. Example: the headmaster of our school, the world, the sun. But as we all know, there is always an exception to any rule. For example, when the vowel at the beginning of the word has a consonant sound, we use a. Here we go. A university, a uniform. However, when a consonant at the beginning of a word has a vowel sound, we use an. Example: an hour, an honor. Alright, it is good to know which way to use a and an with, but it is mostly important to know when to use them. We use a or an before a noun that is general or when its identity is not known. Example: give me a pen. He wants to buy a shirt. We also use a or an when we first mention something or someone. Example: I found a small bag in the yard. She saw an animal there. Now let's learn when to use the. When do we use the? We use the before nouns that both the speaker and the listener know. Example: please give me the phone. We use the when we mention someone or something again. Example: I saw a girl yesterday. The girl was beautiful. We use the before the names of rivers, oceans, seas, bays, banks, hotels, etc. Example: the Amazon, the Pacific Ocean, the Red Sea. Before the names of musical instruments. Example: he is playing the violin. Before the names of some countries. Example: the UK, the USA, the Netherlands. Before adjectives describing nationalities. Example: the Japanese, the French. Before family names. Example: the Lats, the Trumps. Before organizations. Example: the UN, the Red Cross. Before some parts of the day. Example: in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Before the names of deserts. Example: the Sahara Desert, the Gobi Desert. Before the names of newspapers. Example: the Guardian, the New York Times. Before the points of the compass. The North, the South, the West, before adjectives referring to a group of people. The rich, the poor, before the names of unique regions. The Bermuda Triangle, the Middle East. Let's finally learn when not to use articles. We don't use articles before uncountable nouns. Example, water is good for health. Before plural countable nouns. Men are taller than women. Before proper nouns. Côte d'Ivoire is a country. Before names of meals. I am having breakfast. Before languages. She speaks English and Spanish. Before school subjects. She is studying geography. Before names of sports and games. Boys like playing football. He plays chess online. Before noun plus number. He works in room 7 on the second floor. Before years, months, days, etc. He was born in 2002. School starts in September. Remember, as mentioned before, we can use the to describe someone or something specific. So let's see these sentences. The water on the table is clean. The dinner she cooked was tasty. Thanks for watching. Congrats, we did it!
Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house. The Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir